Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a board on Trello app or the Trello website. So first you have to do is open your browser. Once you're on your browser, you have to open your Trello account. So here as you can see, I have my Trello account opened up. So in order to create a board, the first thing you have to do is to hover over to this section, your boards, in the left hand side. If you can't see this option, there will be an arrow right here, so you have to click on that. Once that's done, you have this little plus icon over here. You have to click on that, and you have to give your board a title. So I will just say a sample board. Please don't skip the video, that's not it. You have other things to do as well to create a sample board. Okay, so once it's done, you can click on create, and here you can see your board is created. Now you can add a list and do anything you want. So see you in another video. Till then, take care.